Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to do about this integration. So the first thing, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, the integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of x. The integration of number 1, that is about y. Now we need to focus on this one. So we know that tan y, that is about sine y over cosine y. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine y. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sine y dy. So in this one, that is about u. Negative sine y dy, that is about du. So the integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about cosine y. Now we need to go back in here. So this one, that is about this one. Next, I will put about this one go to here. So we have the formula in here. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So I need to put e for the both sides. So we have the formula in here. So capital 8, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. This one we can put e to the power of y and e to the power of c. We know that this one we can still consider about the constant, because the constant, they can be positive or negative, so we can cancel the absolute value in here. And now we put cosine y go in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.